How's it going, guys? Happy New Year. It's 2025 and I am so excited for this year and what's about to come. For this channel, for my life, and for all the viewers out there, I hope you guys had a phenomenal and safe New Year. I'm ready to get back into it, and I want to show you guys just some fun content, whether it's cars, life, travel, experiences. I want to share all my experiences with you. So in today's video, we're doing a little product review. It's really not a product review, it's really my Christmas presents, but I've always wanted these things. I thought it was kind of cool, so I'll unbox them, show you what's inside, and give you an honest review about them. They're a gift, and I was not sponsored. Nobody sent these to me. So the first product is going to be the Anker MagGo 3-in-1 charger station with Qi 2. So it charges your phone, your watch, and your AirPods all at once. It's compact, and it's great for travel, so I'm really excited about this guy. And this guy, Fantikk Slim V8 Apex, I think both of these gifts are from Costco. I think this is a car vacuum, but who cares? Let's unbox it and see what's inside. All right, the first thing I want to unbox is the Anker 3-in-1 charger. So it's compatible with the iPhone 12 or later. There's an AirPod slot to put your AirPods and an Apple Watch slider to open up. I mean, I have had a couple Anker products myself, and I'm actually really excited about this because I travel so much. This is going to be a great gift for I'm on the road, traveling to visit family, I'm on the plane. It's just really compact, and it can charge all three products at once. It comes with the brick and looks like a USB Type-C cable. You always have to appreciate Costco's simple packaging. I mean, they don't waste any space in this bad boy. All right, here it is. Really, really compact. I mean, you're talking, what, 2.5 inches by 2 inches. Nice. So there's where here's where you put the AirPods. Of course, your phone sits right here, and oh, cool. There's a little slider for your Apple Watch. Of course, comes the cables and with the brick. All right, we got everything set up on this 3-in-1 charger. So of course, Apple's got the MagSafe accessories. So right now the iPhone is currently charging and it's in its little display mode, which is nice when, you know, just it's a nice little alarm clock. And if we look on the sides, we have my Apple Watch is charging and my headphones should also be charging. There we go. A nice 3-in-1 charger from Anker. I mean, the design overall is super compact, super sleek. I like how this thing is spring-loaded. That just clips on right there. I think it's a 15-watt charger, really minimal design, really compact too. I don't know how the heck they did that, but I think this is cool. I've always wanted one of these, and I'm actually really pumped that I got this for Christmas. So whoever got this to me, shout out, you know who you are. But that's pretty lit. All right, next product, the Fantikk Vacuum. At least I think that's what it is. Wow. What on earth is all of this? This is a handheld vacuum. So there's a filter in here, Fantikk, however you say it. USB Type-C charging on this side. Looks like we got a bunch of attachments here. And what's cool, I think these are on the back side, so you can actually snap this guy in place. And now this becomes a little blower. You guys see that? Cool. This is, look at all these attachments, man. You get what, this thin nozzle for the backside, a little larger one. No idea what the heck this does. Hit me up in the comments if you know what this one does. So you get one to get in between the seats for the carpet. This one is probably for like the trunk or more carpet attachments. Here is, it looks like a guard or maybe a replacement piece for this guy. Some brushes, More brushes for cleaning, a secondary filter, which is super nice to have. This thing is actually the coolest part to me. I mean, this is like a little flexible, thin action where we can get in there where needed. Type-C cable, and of course, the classic Fantikk case. I can keep this in my car at all times and quickly do a vacuum whenever needed. This is pretty nice. I like the bag. I do like the compact design. I'm assuming this is all going to be battery here because this has got some weight to it. Plus, you got to imagine this is going to be using some heavy duty power. So the actual container to hold garbage in is kind of small. And I don't know. Oh, there you go. Look at that. It's pretty modular. So this is to replace that filter. Or you can just wash this stuff up real quick. Very thoughtful design. This thing lock? I don't know. I think we got that in there. Boom. 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 Love it. And I really appreciate the excessive amount of accessories that the Fantikk vacuum gives you. You can get tight corners, small spaces, and you can use them at home, in the car, or really anywhere. Well, that's it, guys. Those are the biggest Christmas gifts that I got. I mean, I got socks, and I got some pens, and I got some other small things, but these are probably the biggest gifts that I was excited about. I'm really excited about that Anker charging station. I'm going to use it for a long time. That's going to be like my primary station at home. That's just one cord. It's going to charge all 3 of my main devices. And of course, the Fantikk vacuum. I'll be using the Fantikk vacuum in some future videos, whether it's a YouTube short or it's a full-on video. Wait for that coming. But I wanted to wish you all a Happy New Year. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I love you guys. I can't wait to make more content come this year. This is just one of many ideas I got in store. I love you guys. I'm Rami from Rocky's Garage, and we'll see you on the next one.